Hello learners! It's great to see you again. Today, we will explore how to read and record data in a pictogram. Let us collect some data with a fun activity, by spinning this spinner 18 times, and seeing which colors it lands on. For every spin, we will drop one ball in these tubes, to keep track of how many times the spinner lands on each color. Let's start! The first spin landed on yellow. So, we drop a ball in the tube for yellow. One yellow ball means that the spinner has landed on yellow one time. Let's spin again. This time, the spinner landed on red. So, we drop a ball in the tube for red. Let's spin for the third time. This time, the spinner landed on green. So, we drop a ball in the tube for green. The fourth spin landed on blue, so we drop a ball in the tube for blue. The fifth spin landed on black, so we drop a ball in the tube for black. Now, we have one ball for each color in the tubes. This means that the spinner landed on each color one time. Let us continue spinning the spinner until we have more balls in the tubes. Let's stop here and record our data in a pictogram. First, we add a title for the pictogram. Then, to represent the tubes, we use columns to show the different categories. In each column, we can use symbols to represent the number of balls in each tube. Here, we use circles. Lastly, we add a key to tell us what each symbol represents. Now, looking at the pictogram, which color did the spinner land the most number of times on? Which color did the spinner land the least number of times on? Which two colors did the spinner land on the same number of times? Pause and discuss with your friends. Since each circle symbol represents one time that the spinner lands on each color, we can see from the pictogram that the spinner landed on yellow 5 times, red 4 times, green 2 times, blue 3 times, and black 4 times. Now, from the pictogram, we can see that the yellow column has the most number of circle symbols. So, the color that the spinner landed the most number of times on is yellow, which is 5 times. Next, we can see that the green column has the least number of circle symbols. So, the color that the spinner landed the least number of times on is green, which is 2 times. Lastly, let's find the two colors that the spinner landed the same number of times on. From the pictogram, we can see that both the red and black columns have 4 circle symbols, indicating that the spinner landed on them 4 times each. So, the two colors that the spinner landed on the same number of times is red and black. Today we have learned how to record and read data in a pictogram. Great job on completing this video. Hope to see you again.